Hi friends, I'm Irfan and you're watching my YouTube channel Irfan Creates. So this is called corrugated divider and its measures are 3 by 3 centimeter. We are going to use this in our next video, action figure part 14, here over his stomach, to give extra support and strength to his abs. So if you want to know how I made it, then watch this video without skipping. So let's start this video. First of all, take a cardboard piece and remove its upper layer. Then apply glue well with your finger on half part of this piece. Now fold it like this and press hard to stick it well. After pressing, your cardboard piece should be thin and strong enough. Also, I have drawn some lines over it, so let's cut them. We need 6 pieces to make this divider, and now I am going to make some cuts on each piece. Let's take piece number 1. Its length is 3 cm. First cut should be on 1.5 cm. Next cut on 0.5 cm. And last cut on 2.5 cm. Remember, your each cut should be 0.5 cm in height and 1 mm wide. All 6 pieces are done with 3 cuts in each, and now let's attach these pieces. Take these 2 pieces and connect their first cut like this. Both cuts holded these pieces firmly. Now take another piece and connect it with second cut of previous piece. All cuts should not be loose and hold their pieces tightly. Similarly, connect another piece with third cut of previous one. In the same way, connect remaining 2 pieces to these open cuts. It look like flexible, but after completing this model, it will be strong enough to support action figure abs. So this divider size is 3 by 3 cm and it's made up of 6 thin pieces of 2 by 1 cm. Now we are going to glue each and every corner of this model, which helps it to keep all pieces in place. Friends, I will use this corrugated divider in action figure part 14, which will be published soon. If you like this video, let me know in the comment box. We'll see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye friends.